Oh, come on. One pig left? That's such a scam. Screw this game. What's out the window? Hey! Oh, those stupid birds. I'm gonna teach those birds not to steal from my feeder. Hey, get out of here, you stupid birds. Hey, get out of here. Oh, did you just threaten me? Get out of here. Finally, stupid birds. Those stupid birds need to learn their manners or something. What the? No! Come on, just go away, please. Me? Go away. Finally. Hope he stays away this time. Okay. I hope this worked. That bird better not be there. Oh my God. Did it actually work? It did. Okay. I can just go back to playing Angry Birds on my phone. Oh man, I can't wait to play Angry Birds on my phone.
Hey, Red, what are you doing?
I'm about to play Angry Birds, Bubbles. And I'm on the birthday party levels, which you're in, and they suck because I hate using your character.
What do you mean? Those are the best levels.
They're not the best levels. You make one mistake and you lose.
You just suck.
No, you suck.
God damn it, Red.
Bubbles! Oh, that stupid bird! I hate it!
Why are you mad, Red? Now that I'm better than you at Angry Birds.
Shut up! Oh, come on, Bubbles.
Red, please, Red, stop.
Now that he's gone, I can finally take care of that bird. Oh, I'll get you, you stupid bird! Okay, bird. You stupid bird, I'll kill you now. Did I do it? I think he moved a little. Okay. I won! If that didn't make him disappear, I don't know what will.
Red, are you in there? I had to crawl through the sewers to get back here. I forgive you. Red, get down from here! Red, why would you do that?
The bird told me to.
Bird? Don't worry, Red. I'll avenge you.
Thank you.
My friend almost killed himself because of you. Now I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, finally that bird is dead.
Hey, Red. I finally killed that bastard.
Thank you, Bubbles. You know, I was wrong before. Your character isn't the worst one in the game. It's actually the best one. Better than all of the other ones, to be honest.
Thank you, Red, but obviously. Bye.
Bye, Bubbles.